Bike build?
Tear down.
Tear down, actually.
Tear down.
We're gonna completely tear down.
Here's the S&M daggers. She's about to go down.
Yeah. It's a 19-inch S&M dagger.
The last
About
time
to
you'll
tear
guys see
down.
them purple.
Yep. We're gonna paint them a mystery color.
Next time you see them, they'll be a different color.
Comment down below and let us know what color do you think it's gonna be.
It's so sad. So emotional.
She good. Oh, that's tight.
Get up in there. Let's see what she's doing.
Her first time ever taking the crane saw. See how she does.
I don't like doing it because I don't want to strip anything.
Hold this while you do it. No, you can leave it in there, but yeah.
I don't like stripping stuff out, and I'm pretty good at stripping everything out.
Yeah.
You should have listened to your back wheel too.
Oops.
What you got?
Take it all the way out?
Yeah, you can take it out and then loosen your back wheel.
Here it is.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna put that extender.
Yes. I think that's too tight.
Yeah, I think
It was
it
already set to loosen everything loose.
You just gotta put some backbone into it. Yeah, there. There you go. She got it.
This one goes this way.
It's supposed to stay the same way.
Yeah, it's the same way. You're not supposed to change that. It's supposed to go the same way every time. It's easier if you put where you can get leverage. Like, did you move? You moved it?
I can get it. Let me try it with my right arm.
Let's see. You gotta really get leverage on it and see.
He's strong.
No,
He's strong.
it's just about. No, you can't do that, baby.
It doesn't work like that,
No,
Mom.
baby, you take the chain off first. This is her first time, guys. Be careful with your hand. You push the chain that way, and then you turn it. You don't put your hand there. Don't put your hand there. Like this, look.
She's
She's a
learning.
beginner.
Yeah,
barely
she's learning.
This is the internet. This is why
Yeah.
you guys are gonna watch.
This is her first time ever doing this, so she's confused.
Pull the wheel up.
Oh, magic.
Everything has its way.
I did it.
Yep.
Now the tape is.
Back to
And they're almost identical again.
No, not that side. One side only.
the one side only?
One side only, and then stick this in there. Grab this. Make sure you put your feet here, your legs. Put your legs here and straddle it.
Ready?
Like with this end?
Yeah. And
Just bang it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see it.
It's coming. Keep going.
Whoa.
There you go. Now make sure you don't lose your back, your spacers over here first. You work one side out.
spacer right there.
Alright, I'm going ahead and knock the rest of it out.
Yes.
You got it. Let's get this.
No, then move the other way. You're upside down, everything you do. Make sure that pin
Okay, you
goes
put
in
it
there.
like that. Just like that.
Is it hitting that pin?
Yeah.
She's gonna break her chain. She's gonna do it.
Oh crap.
That's fine, you can hold the chain like that.
Oh yeah, I feel it coming out. All the way?
Almost till it butts up. Right there.
Right there?
Back off of it now. All the way
She
up.
did it. Let's see if she actually got it though.
Pull it out.
You
We
gotta
have
take
to untie
this.
this.
It's like a puzzle.
A fun puzzle.
We should probably get the bearings out, huh?
That'll be the next.
Just gonna try and hammer these out.
How do you take them out? Oh.
Oh.
Other side. Use the smaller side. Did that one not got enough heat?
Yeah, she's
Try
gonna
this
need
one.
the metal one. That one's a little mallet. Oh, you got it, Mom. Good job.
Thank you.
Great job.
Wow. Wow.
Make sure I don't bang on my bike.
Boom. You want to do mine? Sure. All of that. Time for the bars and the headset and all
And the
that.
seat comes with.
Yeah, the seat. And we just put her seat down yesterday too. Or up, huh? They're almost down to just frames. Putting them together is way harder.
Yeah.
Huh? Than taking them apart.
Nah.
We can do that at Gabe's with the air machine. Yeah. So I thought you just take it off inside of there.
You always want to hold your tool with your other hand to keep it straight so you don't strip out or fall out of the hole.
Wait, when you're having sex, you want to hold it in there. Okay, other side. You gotta push down a bit. Not to worry about banging the bars because I'm gonna paint them. Now you can take the bars off. That's good. Don't take those all the way out, please.
Now that you can hold your bars.
Bang it off.
Now take this off.
Yeah.
Ese Lucina.
Yeah, you can just take them out. Maybe we should have did it with the bars on there.
Oh God.
Yeah, probably.
I thought it was gonna be looser.
There it is.
No?
This
You
time.
got
Next
it.
time you probably want to do it
It's
with
just a lady
Yeah.
handling it.
Yeah.
a lady.
Dirty? Okay. Take
This
out
comes
the
out?
forks.
Pull out the forks.
Is there spacers in there? Or
Just
that's
these
it?
on the top. On the bottom, there's none.
Make sure you get them all out.
Holy moly!
Ooh.
It's done, huh?
That one's on.
Yeah.
You wanna do that one?
I don't touch my bike. I just ride it.
You wanna try?
Yeah, sure.
You can try it.
See what I can get. Mine is way easier because I don't have to loosen
You
these
can
sides.
see that. Put your foot in between the chainstay.
Ooh,
This is a trampoline bike.
trampoline bike.
Yeah.
She's gonna take her bike apart quicker than me. Workstation.
I can't get the bottom.
See where it goes.
There's
Got
another
that.
one.
2 daggers.
Boom. The 2 daggers have been took apart.
Damn.
Ready for painting.
A 19 and a 21.
That's
Going
a
to paint.
19.
This one's
19 for the little
the 19
one.
inches. You can tell. You can probably
And
tell.
21 for the big mama.
Yeah.
So comment down below. Let us know what color you think is gonna be. Will it be red?
Orange,
Will they
maybe?
be orange for Halloween?
Maybe.
Maybe black? Maybe purple? Oh no, they're already purple.
Maybe white. Maybe we'll paint them
Hey
white.
Gabe, is that enough oil, grease for you on the
We
bike?
used a lot of grease, Gabe. Cheap goods BMX. Alright guys, we logging
Best
out.
bike, the best bike,
Yep.
best
Well-
bike shop west of the Mississippi, baby. Wait a minute, best bike shop in the world, cheap goods.
We'll keep in
Hey.
touch. We'll show you updates and everything.
Okay guys, till next time.
Peace out.
Peace out. Comment, like, and subscribe. You know what to do.